What is chiropractic? Chiropractic care is a form of complementary medicine based on the idea that your body can heal itself with the help of specific hands-on manipulations from a trained professional. These manipulations help realign your joints and can potentially lead to pain relief. Health benefits of chiropractic: improves neck pain. A 2019 study found that cervical spine manipulation may help decrease neck pain in the short term by modifying levels of neuropeptides in your blood. Neuropeptides are proteins made in your nervous system that function as neurotransmitters or hormones. Reduces reliance on opioid pain relievers. The large 2020 study found that adults who visited a chiropractor were less likely to get an opioid prescription filled for their pain compared to those who only saw their doctor. Eases back pain. The American College of Physicians recommends that doctors encourage people with chronic low back pain to first seek non-medication treatments before taking medication to treat their pain. Possible reduction of osteoarthritis symptoms. A 2020 animal study trusted source found some evidence that chiropractic manipulation may help slow down the progression of arthritis by improving the status of cartilage, bone, and the joint capsule.